In the dense jungles of Indonesia, beneath the roar of a remote waterfall, something incredible was caught on camera. A towering, Bigfoot-like creature, nearly 3 meters tall, emerged from behind the cascading water. But what truly stunned witnesses? It was carrying something large, wrapped tightly in woven leaves. And just like that, it vanished back into the rushing water, probably late for a jungle dinner party. Is this the mythical Orang Mawas, Indonesia's Bigfoot, or something even stranger? You decide.